Good morning. So we have quite the feast going on here. Russ has got his own breakfast, but I'm making fried donuts for the kids. And I know you guys have heard me talk about this a lot, so I wanted to share exactly what I've got set up here. Okay, the little benches make great for a little serving station. So can of biscuits cut up into 4/4, dropped into hot oil. Then they rest on this, and then I've got powdered sugar, regular sugar, cinnamon sugar. So I'll dump those in there and then go to the plate. So just a little fried donut station set up, and of course my coffee for the day. Blood.
I do need to get one of those guys too.